Our chicken cage has been in use on the farm for 10 years. There are 12,288 chickens. The chicken house is 100 meters long and 8.5 meters wide. This farm was established in 2012. Our engineer shot this video in 2022. Our technology comes from Europe. Our fully automatic A-type and H-type chicken cages are very popular. A house contains 1,000 to 50,000 chickens. Customers often visit our factory to discuss their poultry plans. The cage structure is made of hot-dip galvanized iron wire, more sturdy and corrosion resistant. WhatsApp now for a quotation.